Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to change your region in the Etsy app. Whether you've moved to a new country or want to see specific items for a different location, this quick guide will help you adjust your settings. So let's get started. Before we get started, we need to point out that you can't change this setting in the Etsy app, but on their official website. So open your browser and type Etsy in the search field and click search. When your browser opens the page, click on your profile in the upper right corner of the screen. By clicking on your profile, a drop-down menu will open where you will scroll down to the option, Account Settings, and click on it. Then on the next page, also in the drop-down menu, you will look for the region option and click on it. The app will open a list of all the countries that the Etsy app supports. All you have to do is select your region and click on it. After selecting your new region, all that's left to do is click on the Save Settings option. That's it! You have successfully changed the region in the Etsy app. This will adjust the currency, language, and available items based on your selected location. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more app tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.